Hey, what's up guys? This is Tamil again and welcome back to my channel. Now in today's video, I want to talk to you guys about how you can get people to partner with you in network marketing, so stick around. Alright guys, so in today's video, I want to give you guys some good nuggets on the things that you can do to get people to partner with you in your network marketing business, but I want to give you some leadership skills and things that you should be obtaining so that you can attract the right type of people to you. So now let's take a look at some of the things that I had came up with because I felt like this stuff was valuable information that, every leader pretty much possess. The ones that I see in network marketing, I see them possessing these type of qualities. You first should be focusing on, being a leader. And ways in which you can be a leader is pretty much being the person that's willing to go out on a limb and not only just, be the best that you can be, but also try to teach other people as well. And so one of the things that leaders do is they like to give away a lot of free information. They like to help people solve their problems. They like to help other network marketers. They like to provide a lot of valuable information, and I'm going to get into that in a second. They like to help people in the areas of personal growth. They like to help people just build their business, and they like to help people in the areas of motivation. And honestly, I find that network marketing businesses or network marketing companies, they're like the best companies when it comes to motivation. If you want motivation and personal development, even if you're not interested in network marketing, I would just go to network marketing events just to get the motivation and the personal growth. Another thing too that you want to focus on is getting results. So it's very important that you find a way to get results in your network marketing business because this is what helps attract people to you. I'm going to be honest again, is that people like to follow people or join other people that are successful, that look like they're going somewhere, that are doing things at the moment. Not people talking about what they're going to do, but people that are actually doing things. So what are some of the things that you can do to get results? Sell products. You can grow your organization, and you can help inspire people. So if you really want to get people to partner with you in network marketing, you want to possess these two things. You want to be a leader, and you want to make sure that you get results in your business. Now, I want to show you here some folks that are top earners in network marketing. One of them, which is, Ray Higdon. He's very well known in the network marketing industry. And one of the things that he is a top earner, but he's also does a lot of marketing online. And so I'm looking at his page right here. And one thing that I don't see is I don't see what company he's with, but I see testimonies. I see things about him, biography, what accomplishments that he has made. And it also looks like too that, he has a blog. He's got things that are going to, like I said, build you up, things that he can teach, things of value that's going to add to a person and really help his team or anybody that's looking to join him. So this is an example of a leader in the network marketing industry. If you don't know about him, I encourage you to go check out Ray Higdon. He's a really popular guy. Most people in network marketing already know about him. Another person that I have right here is Eric Worre. And Eric Worre, well-known guy, probably one of the biggest names in network marketing, but this guy is a leader and he trains people, he inspires people, he's gotten results, and a lot of people really want to follow in this guy's footsteps. And one of the things that he has here that we know a lot about is he has a book called Go Pro. And this is like one of the best-selling books out there for network marketers. So if you're in the network marketing industry, then this is what you should probably take a look at. So Eric Worre is a leader. He's, someone that's teaching people. He's giving out a lot of valuable information. He trains people. He speaks. He is truly a leader in this industry. So all right, guys. So if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you like what you heard. And go ahead and subscribe to my channel because that's what I do here, guys. I teach people how to start and grow an online business. And lastly, guys, not only am I going to give you a free training bonus, but I'm also going to give you access to the same system that I'm using to grow my business online. So guys, if you want to get access to that training, go down to the bottom of this video, click the link, put your name and your email address in, and I'm going to send you access to that video as well. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video.